Alright, so there's the code. Cylinder 3 misfire, so still misfiring. Alright, there we go. It was a success. If it Alright, so I don't know if you guys know it, but I have a few project trucks. I think I kind of showed it one time, but I think I'll make a whole series about these. This project truck has been sitting for a while. Kind of abandoned it. Life has happened, so I haven't been able to do much to it. And then we have the white one also that I'm working on. That one isn't too much, just some miscellaneous stuff here and there. Again, that one's more just random stuff here and there just to clean it up. Not gonna do a whole lot to it. This one is supposed to be more to it, but the other day, Wednesday night or whenever, it sprung a leak. I got the old one side is I have the gas tank out. It's out. It's over here somewhere. There it is. I gotta paint it, prime it. It has a hole in it. But then the other day, the other side gas tank popped a little tiny little pinhole right there, and it stunk up the whole house. Still kind of dripping there. I think it's done dripping for now. So I gotta being forced to work on it. I guess it's mad that I've abandoned it for so long. It's flashlight. But I guess this means it's time to work on it. So again, I'm gonna try to keep this one as original as possible. I was gonna paint it, but I like the paint. I think I'm just gonna lower it, clean up the inside, and then just ride around in it. But I need to get back on this, so I'll make a series on this truck. And then the white truck, the few things here and there that I'll do to it, I'll record that. I'm gonna do a Raptor liner in there. New seats. There's some miscellaneous items that need to be fixed on it. Like right now, the cruise control doesn't work on it. I need to replace the front windshield. Airbag sensors are off. Tire pressure system is off. It's just some random stuff to it. Nothing crazy. It runs strong. But I'll make a series on this stuff. On this truck, I have a bunch of stuff here waiting for it and ready. I just need to stop letting things get in the way. But this one finally stopped dripping, had a bunch of fuel out. And this fuel is old, like 4 or 5 years old. And I've been meaning to get it out. But look at me now. I made a mess in here. Luckily I had some cardboard previously to this that soaked up quite a bit of it. Now it would have been worse, but the house was smelly. But at least it's done for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this old fuel. Try to burn it or something. But this will be the series. So this one's an 87. Got the 07. And then, if y'all remember last week, that black truck, that's a 2018. That one has some spark plug. I need to replace the spark plugs. I need to replace spark plug wires. So all 3 trucks need something. Luckily, they're all Chevys. I think they should be pretty simple to work on. So lots of stuff coming up, and y'all stay tuned for these. We'll make a Chevy series. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Friday. We got haircuts, or the man and I did.
Baby.
Stop moving. All right. Oh yeah, Isaac is up in his room. We got Boj. Well, I didn't get Boj. I got tacos. Is that a pastor from the little restaurant next to the haircut place? But here we are. Another weekend. And then tomorrow we got Sam has his class. He needs to get a haircut wherever he gets it at. And we are going to your nephew's birthday. They're having a I don't want to spell it because then I don't know if they know yet. So they got something going on tomorrow. We're gonna head out to Greenville, and then we got something cool for Sunday that she doesn't know what it is yet. She knows what we're gonna do something, but doesn't know what.
I'm excited.
So
Oh, and you guys, I have a cold.
yeah, she has a cold.
You're sick. Because of you.
The man's always sick.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Sophia's part.
Oh, that's right. That's why he didn't go. He passed it on.
But I didn't. I wasn't even there.
Isaac's been sick.
Oh yeah, he's been coughing a little bit. Oh, I didn't hear him cough today at all, though.
He has been.
He hasn't
At the
been.
office, he was with me at the office for a little bit also. So,
You never record.
all right, we're gonna eat.
I can't hear him.
All right, so we're all done eating except for Sam, like always.
Could I spilled something over there?
And check out his outfit for today at the Christmas party. Yeah, a little reindeer.
No.
Oh.
Hey, what's up, baby? Oh, that little reindeer. Hey, cute. They loved it at work. Everybody was laughing.
You laughing back?
He was. He was laughing back at everybody. It was really cold out, so he was nice and warm in that outfit. Cute.
My friend told me that it might snow. I'm like 1:30.
No.
I was like, that's what I heard. The bottom was like 20, so it might snow.
All right.
Oh, look at my nails.
Oh, let's see. Don't move them.
That's what I did today.
She got them today. That's why I had Isaac.
Look. Isaac.
All right. Ah, yeah. Grab it. Grab it. There he goes.
He's starting to use his hands more.
Come on.
That you would have done all your shopping, and then you would have had maybe like a drink or a steak also treating.
We are getting donuts. We're here in Rocky Mount.
Maybe it was just wall shelves.
This looks so good.
It does look good.
Oh, look over here. It looks like a dress. Maybe it's not.
No, I don't think so.
Christmas tree. A ton of icing.
All right, so here's where we were. Ann's Donuts. They haven't tried them. I tried them once. Someone brought some in, and I got to try it. They were really good. Let's show them.
At work, all the way to Raleigh?
Yeah.
Took 'em.
did get a cheese Danish.
It's really good.
And then
And
we got 2 boxes the same. 1 box is for your parents.
doesn't look all that great in there.
Yeah,
They say that's where the best food is.
that's right. And then we got some glazed. And then the cheese filled, cream cheese filled.
What's this one?
And then here's the address, Rocky Mount. Really good. You can pass one out to the boys. Y'all want a donut now or later? Just eat it now.
Now, they said? Yeah. Here, let me on.
The man, is he asleep still?
Yes.
Don't wake him up. Oh, I'm gonna do the cream cheese one. Try it. Ready? Yeah, Martin, didn't even wait. How is it?
Good.
Good. Look good. Yeah, so good. This one is really good.
Did you get the cream cheese? No. Oh, that's really good. It's really good.
Donuts are super good. Try them out. No, good.
I really like this.
Alright, keep on drop off the baby. Then head to Greenville, so slight change. Alright, here's where we ended up last time. So just to keep you guys, so last time we had that misfire, and I'm thinking it was that cable. We'll see. I think it was the spark plug wire. It was broken, so I replaced that one. Is that one there, darker one? But for some reason, well, I know why, I couldn't get the one over the spark plug in. But I think it was that spark plug socket I was using, the rubber piece that was inside came off, and I didn't realize it. But anyways, as I was trying to do that, I broke off that piece. But I've ordered it, so here's the original, and actually ended up super gluing it just in case this second piece didn't work. It's called a barb fitting. Got it on eBay. I'll put a picture up. Let's see if it fits in here. Oh, it fits. Oh yeah. I don't know why they didn't come in a metal fitting. So this one's brass. So that'll fit in there. I'll put this in here. Oh, perfect. And just clean up that inside. I think there's something in there. All right, so we're good. We get to drive it back home today. Tan Nugget for now. Turn it on. It's been here all week. So, yep, both of those, well, this one is still on. I don't know what that is. Well, still kind of rough idling, so might be more issues then. I'll have to figure it out. All right, so who knows what it is. I'll have to put some more time into it and see what it is. Maybe it's another spark plug. Maybe it's something else. Damn it. Who knows? Somebody tell me. Tell me what I need to do. Alright, so there's the code. Cylinder 3 misfire, so still misfiring. 1 of 5. Cylinder 3 misfire, 2 of 5. Cold start, rough idle. Don't know what that's about. 3 misfire. Cold start, rough idle. So same things, all 5. Well, y'all tell me what I need. All right, so we're back over at the house, and I got this window at Home Depot. Ended up finding one. That opening is almost exactly 28 by 38. And I just did a quick test fit, and I think it'll work. I just need to remove this piece from the old window. But I was worried. it was gonna be too snug, but it looks just right. I think will be perfect. I'm not sure how it goes, so I'm gonna have to look up the instructions. And I think we're good though. There's Amion. Sam outside, he's supposed to be helping me. All right, there we go. It was a success. It fit almost just right. I got some of this to put in there and then caulk it up, put the trim back up. But man, that looks good, man. I'm happy that fit. We only have a few days before people move in here, so I was kind of worried. And we found this at Home Depot, and that was the last one they had in the whole area. So we got lucky with it. But we had trouble trying to find these windows for some reason. You would think it's pretty common, the actual size we needed. They didn't have, which you can kind of tell there, the existing is smaller, slightly smaller. But got lucky here. All right, so I'm gonna just finish up, put this trim back up. I brought some paint with me. And, oh shoot, I hope I brought it with me. I hope it's in there. Now I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I brought it. All right, I might have to get some at Lowe's. Maybe my in-laws have any. All right, at least this is done. And we got to get this doorknob switched out. For some reason, it is extremely hard to get the key in. So we're gonna switch that out. Might have to switch them all out, the front door also, just so they have the same key. Hopefully not. It's a gatehouse, but I think Quickset might fit that key. All right, let me finish up.
I'm here now, helping, supposedly. You're putting
Foam filler for the gaps.
It looks good.
Really close.
Just different to these. Oh well, the curtain goes over that part. The bottom part. It's almost time for us to leave too.
Está muy contento.
Alright, so we're back. They got him here on the floor watching TV. Not even making any noise. Alright, it's Sunday. Dressed up. She still doesn't want to know what we're doing. Dressed up. To eat to this Mexican spot near downtown. Actually right across from NC State over there. And then we're gonna head out. Starts at 5, it's 4 o'clock. I think we got time. You ready?
Yeah. It's cold.
It is cold. I was working on the cars this morning, did her brakes. Still couldn't figure out what's wrong with my truck. It's for another day though.
We're hungry.
Yeah, we've been waiting for this so far. Here it is. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, here's the inside. The menu. We'll put a short on this one. It's empty. Looks nice though. Alright, starting out with the chori queso dip. Pretty good. Alright.
We got something like this last time.
Oh yeah, that's right. Good. You can never go wrong with the queso dip. Delicious. Alright, so I got the Tres Compadres steak, shrimp, and chicken behind there. And then
Birria ramen.
birria ramen. That's the only reason we came.
It has little quesadillas on the side.
Yeah. We're heading out. Heading to the place. What do you think of the food?
I like mine. I was really hungry.
Both
I
were
give
starving.
it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of
for
10.
mine.
Yeah, hers was good. I like that. I give it a 9. And then mine, I give mine a 7. It was missing flavor.
Yeah, I tried his shrimp and it wasn't all that.
And it needed salt. And then the chicken was kind of dry. The rice, you know what? It's gonna keep going down in
Oh, yeah, the
score.
rice was dry.
Yeah, the rice wasn't great either.
So y'all saw like the plain ramen that I had. I didn't realize that I had the cilantro and all that on the
Oh, yeah.
side.
Afterwards, it looked nicer, at least. All right, well, we're gonna go. All right, we're here. Still got a long line. We're at the Performing Arts Center. You know what we're doing?
That's
All
not
right.
a Christmas party. I don't know.
We're gonna watch the Nutcracker.
What? Really?
Yeah. All right,
That's cool.
let's go inside. Long line and it's cold.
My feet hurt already.
All right, we made it inside. Got a little drinks. We're on the mezzanine. And they might not be the best seats. So we'll see how they look. Doors open at 5. Do you want? What do you think?
That was good.
Was good.
Cool.
Was. All right, heading out. Downtown. Dang. It's cold. All right, so now we gotta go pick up the baby, and we still getting groceries.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Gonna start tomorrow.
better start.